Unboxing the ITOUCH Muscle Toning Belt. This is what it looks like when it comes packaged. Muscle toning belt meaning a lot of guys use it onto the abdominal, the legs. It comes sealed on the inside, very easy to open. Once you've got it open, you'll notice there are two belts that stretch either around your legs, or you can just extend it and put it around your lower back. On the inside there's a little pouch where you simply just lift it up, and that is exactly where you would connect the cables, right there. Once you've got it connected, very importantly, make sure you put sanitizer onto the belt to make sure that it is well lubricated. It's a very sturdy, very strong belt. You'd notice at the back it shows you recommended particular areas, which is obviously your lower back, your abdominal, your arms, your shoulders, and your knees. Just keep in mind, these are all Canadian products, so everything has to be FDA approved for your safety. Just be sure to put it back in your packaging when you're done using it to keep it clean and sanitized.